Well, the data sheet is pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I'd go over it with you quickly just in case. So basically you record who's on, the names of the same household team and the date. The start time is basically when you get on the boat. The reason we record start and end time is we just like to keep track of how many volunteer hours you all are donating for CLAMP. And also you should circle which DO meter you have, YSI or DO meter, because they each have a number on them, 1, 2, or 3. Then also your pH pin is also numbered, so there's a little sticker on it, so record that number. And then it's pretty self-explanatory here, the information you fill out. You may wonder why you have to fill out temperature twice. Well, for the DO meter, you definitely want to record the temperature because the two measurements are used to measure the amount of dissolved oxygen. So you need both of those. The pH meter is kind of optional if you recorded it, but you might as well record it because if these two measurements are different, one of the instruments may need calibration or be broken or something like that. And another thing that's really important when you're doing your Secchi measurements, you do the lowered and the raised, then you calculate the average. And then here you need to record how much volume of water should be filtered. In order to record that number, you use this table here. So if your Secchi measurement was less than half or 0.5 meters, you would enter 50 milliliters right here as the amount of water to be filtered. And if it was between 0.5 and less than 2.0, then 100, and greater than 2.0, then 200. So West Okoboji are always filtering 200 milliliters. But it's important that you record that information, even though you're not the person in 2020 to be doing the filtering. The person who's going to be doing the filtering is going to trust the number that you put down there, so don't forget. And then also, you just kind of put down what the cloud cover is and the water surface. And another thing, if you see like an algae bloom in the lake, you could mention that here. That's just kind of helpful information for us to have. So that's your data sheet, and when you're finished, you can like take a picture with your camera and text it to me, or drop it off when you drop off your water samples in the YSI meter.